Hi everybody, this is Thomas and this is yet another tip of the week. I have been doing a lot of trainings in the last couple of weeks and this tip of the week is regarding some slab tips that I think I found personally useful to show to people while I'm doing the trainings, and I realized that most of those things are not placed in our training courses and stuff. So I would like to show you a few things. It's going to be a quick one, so let me jump right into it. Let's go to AutoCAD. So the first thing I want to say, and it is kind of important, and I don't know, many of you might have noticed it, but when I say draw slab, right? Select my definition. I want to draw multiple. Have this, of course, usually I say polyline, points, window, but what I have also is what we call internal points. And this, for example, is a region here with polylines that represent, an internal hollow core, an internal slab, something. So if I press here, the software recognizes automatically the internal points or the crossing points between the polylines and my floor. And then I can easily, I can easily create my slabs. There is also one thing here that you can either remove those if you don't want them to represent holes, and in this case I would want to remove my custom material here and also add some offset distance around it at 25 millimeters. I will apply my end caps all over, copy to all, say apply, and then I can of course rotate 90 degrees, press here, and then we get my apply, and you see, just created hollow core, an opening, hollow core with your plate, or a slab with your plate, and another opening here, all very fast, and the lifter is also added automatically. One more thing before I let you go is that a lot of times when I get an XREF, I might have some blocks representing a few things on my floor. For example, I have a little circle here. Let me make it now. I have a little circle, and I will try to make this as a block. I will use the command W block. Pick my point. I will put my insertion point here. I will select my object, which of course it is this one. Convert to block, and then give it a name, place it where I want to place it. Usually it would be better if you place it into your impact standard, because then you can use it again. In this case I will just say OK, replace, and then I will just move this. I will just copy this so we have multiple. And let's say that this is my top floor, as right here, and this represents, for example, a roof box, really opening a little custom material that I want to convert directly. So what I do, select one of those, right click, select similar. So all of them are selected. Then come to my custom materials, draw custom material for slab. This is my electrical ceiling box. Next, finish. And now I get the question, convert and erase, convert and retain. This is about, of course, the block references. In this case, I don't want to keep the blocks in my drawing anymore. I will say convert and erase. The custom materials are here. And of course, remember to double click, add a very nice and easy way of adding your custom materials on your slabs. This is it for me. I wish you all a very nice weekend, and we'll see you next week with the new tip of the week. Bye bye.